the second edition, we are planning to have one or two international teams to take part in this competition. A huge accomplishment and achievement for the GFA this season has been relaying of the artificial turf at Prudent. Association has been facing a cash-12 for long, but somehow we have been able to relay the turf in spite of financial hurdles. Goan football is on the upgames now. Dempo Sports Club qualified for the I-League this season, and they are the step away from making to the ISL. Sporting Club the Goa qualify for the I-League too, and I am sure they will return to the I-League in next season. This year we also started new Under-23 Girls League under the Khelo India scheme. Our website, which was launched at the last AGM, is fully functional, and now it is updated with all the news and story of a Goan football.
Football is growing, developing, and doing good works to contribute for the development of Indian football. Football in Goa is not a new thing. Football in Goa is not that something you want to hear from others what to do. I think you all will agree to develop football and footballers, we have to create more match time, more game times. Unless we create more match times, we will not see many talent